Dear students, welcome to the class Electricity 4. In this class, we are going to study about the heating effect of the current. What is heating effect? When electric current is supplied to a purely resistive conductor. Resistive conductor means which is not good conductor. The energy of electric current is dissipated entirely in the form of heat, and as result resistor gets heated. The heating effect of resistor because of dissipation of electric energy is commonly known as heating effect. Okay, what is heating effect? When a current is passing through the non-conductor. Okay, so then current is not passing through it. Instead of, due to electricity is liberated in the form of heat. This effect is called heating effect of current. Okay, so when an electric energy is supplied to in an electric bulb, you have seen electric bulb, not nowadays we use LED bulb. That is the technology is different from that one. In olden days we use the bulb which is having a filament. So such bulbs are worked on the basis of the heating effect of current. So these type of bulbs. When electricity is supplied to an electric bulb, the filament gets heated because which gives light. The heating of electric bulb happens because the heating effect of the electric current when it is heated. So here the filament is in the form of a spring, because you know that as the length increases, the resistivity or resistance of the conductor increases. So therefore, to increase the resistance, the filament is in the form of springs, and also very thin, because you know that if it is very thin, then also the resistivity increases. Resistance of a conductor depends on the thickness of the conductor and also length. So therefore, to increase the length and and it is very thin to get high resistance. So this is this is the filament of the bulb. Now, when an electric iron box is also same. It is the principle is same. Principle is worked. Same principle is used here. The electric iron box is connected to an electric circuit. The element of electric iron gets heated because of the dissipation of the electric energy, which heats the electric iron. The electric element of electric iron is purely resistive conductor. This happens because of the heating effect of the electric current. Here also heating effect is used. Here nichrome, observe here. Here this is also this coil. This coil is the metal used here is an alloy. Why the alloy is used? Because you know that the metals are good conductor of heat, but alloys are bad conductor, but resistance is high and melting point is also high. Therefore, alloys are used as a coil. So this is electric iron box. This is also working on the basis of the heating effect of the electric current. So another one is electric stove. So here also you can see, you can observe the coil which is in the form of like this. Because why it is in this form? Because to increase the length. Okay. So this is curved, because to increase the length, this is made curved. So as the length increases, the resistivity increases. And water heater coil. So I think you have seen, this is water heater coil. These are all the 4 devices which works on the basis of the heating effect of the current. So one is bulb, and another one is iron box, electric stove, and water heater. And nowadays, and now come to Jausta. So if R is the resistance of the conductor, the potential difference between the ends of the wire is V, then electric charge flowing through it, the seconds of work done is given by work done equal to W equal to VQ. Okay. So now similarly we also know that P equal to V equal to Q by T. But Q by T equal to I. Q by T is nothing but current. So therefore I. So P equal to VI. So now multiplying by T both the sides. Then you will get PT equal to VIT. VIT. Now H is also given as VIT. So now substitute V equal to IR. So then we will get H equal to I into RT. So we will get H equal to I squared RT. This is called Joule's law, H equal to I squared RT. What it means? H is heat liberated. Heat liberated in a conductor, any conductor, is depends on the current passing through it and the resistance and the time. So H equal to I squared RT. If you remember this, then you can write the Joule's law in the form of sentences. The heat liberated in a conductor is directly proportional to the square of the current passing through it and resistance of the conductor and the time. Okay. So this is called Joule's law. So Joule's law defined as the heat produced in a resistance is directly proportional to the square of the electric current passing through it. And second one, directly proportional to the resistance. That means that as the resistance increases, the current through the conductor is also increases. And directly proportional to the time on which passing through the conductor. At what time it is passing through it. Therefore, heat produced depends upon the factors. One is current passing through it, another one is resistance of the conductor, third one is time. So these are the three factors on which the heat liberated depends. Now in an electric laundry iron and electric toaster, this is the nowadays we use toaster, electric toaster. Electric oven is already we have discussed. Electric kettle is the device used to heat the drinking water. Okay. These are all works on the heating effect of the current. So electric bulb we have already discussed. Electric iron box we have already discussed. So this is the electric toaster. So bread toast, to making toast, some snacks items it is used. So here also like this, coil is like this. This is also working on the basis of the principle of heating effect of electric current. This is the kettle. Electric fuse. Electric fuse is the used to protect the electric appliances from high voltage. If any electric fuse is made of metal or alloy of metal such as aluminum, copper, iron, lead, etc. Because in case of high voltage, then specified fuse melts and protects the electric appliances. When fuse melts, so see here, observe. So if 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere, etc. are used for domestic purpose. So 1000 watt per 220. If you calculate this, then 5 ampere current is used to protect the electric heater in the case of higher voltage. So now this is electric fuse. Electric fuse is based on the principle of heating effect the electric current. Heat is produced when current flows in the wire. When heat production is more due to excessive flow of current, it melts fuse which normally has low melting point, hereby preventing any damage to the electric circuit and the appliances. Okay. So now the fuses are one of the most important parts of the electric circuit and electronic system. Here some of the uses of fuse are, they are used to home distribution boards and electric devices and electric appliances to prevent any damage due to the excess current flow. When excess current flow, because it melting points is very low, then it melts. So when it melts, then the circuit breaks. So therefore it avoids any dangers. And They are used in gaming consoles and also automobiles like cars, bike, scooters, trucks, and all other vehicles. They are used in laptops, printers, cell phones, hard disk drivers, scanners, and portable electronics. Fuse are also used in capacitors, power transformers, motor starters, if an electrical distribution system. They are also used in LCD monitors and also battery back to stop excessive current flow to the device and preventing it from the damage that may occur in electronics. So this is the fuse. So here very thin metal is used. When current voltage becomes high, so it melts, and due to this melts, it breaks the circuit and avoid the danger. So electric capacity. Electric capacity means the rate of consumption of current in an electric circuit is called electric capacity. V equal to IR, we know that, and also we know that P equal to VI. So now substituting, then we will get P equal to I squared R. So P squared multiply and divided by both R, then RR cancel. So I squared R squared by R. So I squared R squared equal to V. So V squared by R. So P equal to V squared by R. So unit of electric power. Unit of electric power is watt. So power is, what is 1 power or what is 1 watt? If the potential difference between the any conductor is 1 volt, if 1 ampere current is passing through it, then that is 1 watt. So 1 volt ampere. So if you understand this, then only you can write P equal to VI, 1 volt, 1 ampere, 1 watt. So 1 watt equal to, if 1 volt potential difference is there between any 2 points and 1 ampere current is passing through it, then the power of that is 1 watt. So the big unit used to is kilowatt. So kilowatt equal to 1000 watt per 1 hour. 1 hour is converted into second, then 3600 second. 1000 into 3600. So 10 to the power of 3. 36 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 we can write. So if you convert this 3 point into 10, then you will get 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 into 3.6, 10 to the power 6. So 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So small problems. Calculate the capacity of the bulb 0.5 and current flowing through it is, and if it is connected to 20 galvanometer. P equal to VI, we know that P equal to 220 into 0.5A. So if you multiply, you will get 110 joules per second. Refrigerator 400 watt is used 8 hours, 1 kilowatt each, 3 rupees. If it is working in 30 days, calculate the amount of energy. So 400 into 8 hours, so 300, 200 watt per day. So per 30 days into 30, 3200 into 30, 96,000 watt hour. So if you convert that into kilowatt hour, then divided by 1000, then you will get 96 kilowatt hour. So 96 kilowatt hour equal to, for 1 kilowatt hour 3 rupees, for 96 into 3, so 288 rupees. So for yourself, define heating effect of current, list out the devices which are working on the basis of the heating effect. Joule's law. Q reasons to align are used in coils, electronic devices instead of metals. Define power and what is the unit of power. Define 1 kWh and show that 1 kWh kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. In which case more energy is consumed if 200 watt TV is used 1 hour or 1200 watt toaster is used in 10 minutes. Okay, calculate and okay. So I think you are clear. Thank you and all.